Yes, Darshini, Aditi, Priyasha, Mahek, Sapna. What will be the answer? Okay, guys, I'll tell you the answer to this question. The answer to this question is going to be A, Volvox. Please open your NCRTs. Next question. You have to select the mismatch. Select the mismatch out of these. A very important question. Cycas, dioecious, salvinia, heterosporus, equisetum, homosporus, pinus, dioecious. Okay, good, Priyasha. Correct answer. No, Mahek, no. Yes, Darshini, Aditi, put your answers in the chat box. You have to select the mismatch. All right. The answer to this question is going to be pinus. Okay. This is the mismatch. Pinus is monoecious. Okay. Pinus is a monoecious plant. What is the meaning of a monoecious plant? That here the male and the female cones, they are born on the same plant. That is what the meaning of monoecious plant is. Mono means one. Okay, so the male and the female part, they will be found on the same territory. They are going to be found in the same plant. So pinus, it is not a dioecious plant, it is a monoecious plant, and this is our mismatch. What is the meaning of monoecious plants? The male and female cone are born on same plant. Okay, so the answer to this question is going to be D. Next, zygotic meiosis is characteristic of. Where are we going to find zygotic meiosis? Yes, only Priyasha has answered. And very good, Priyasha, correct answer. Yes, zygotic meiosis is characteristic of. No, Mahek, no. You guys are not at all prepared for the Plant Kingdom chapter. Although I had told you that we'll be taking a Plant Kingdom chapter in the next class. Zygotic meiosis is characteristic of chlamydomonas. Okay, the answer is going to be chlamydomonas. Now, what happens in zygotic meiosis? In zygotic meiosis, meiotic division is going to happen in zygote, right? Meiotic division happens in zygote. Okay, and that is going to result into the development of haploid individuals. Okay, so for this question, C will be the answer. Next question. Life cycles of ectocarpus and fucus respectively are. Good. Aditi, very good. Yes, everybody, please put your answers in the chat box. Yes, Mahek, correct answer. Good. Priyasha, your answer is not correct. Yes, everybody put your answers in the chat box. Sapna, Darshini, I'm not getting any answers from you. Yes, Priyasha, now your answer is correct. Good. Right, the answer is going to be B. Ectocarpus is going to exhibit a haplodiplontic life cycle and fucus is going to exhibit a diplontic life cycle. Okay, answer will be B for this question. Next, conifers are adapted to tolerate extreme environmental conditions because of. Why are conifers because of which structures are conifers adapted to tolerate extreme environmental conditions? What adaptations are present in conifers? Read the question carefully and then answer. Good, Priyasha. Correct answer. Very good. Aditi, Mahek, correct answer. Good, very good, very good. All of you have answered correctly, right? The answer is going to be C. In case of conifers, there are needle-like leaves, right? Needle-like leaves with thick cuticle. So here is our answer. Okay, thick cuticle. Then we are going to find sunken stomata. Sunken stomata. These are all the adaptations. Okay, these are all the adaptations that help the conifers to survive. So the answer is going to be C. Thick cuticle. Next question. Which one of the following statement is wrong? Chalo, find out which of the following statement is wrong. Very good, Priyasha. Correct answer. Good. Mahek, good. Yes, Aditi, Darshini, put your answers in the chat box. Which of the following statement is wrong? Do it by elimination method. Good, Aditi, good. Correct answer. Okay. Now see, if we are going to see the options here, algae increase the level of the dissolved oxygen in the immediate environment. This statement is correct. The question is saying that we have to find out the wrong statement. All right. Let's see the C option. Agar-agar is obtained from Gelidium and Gracilaria. This statement is correct. Laminaria and Sargassum, they are used as food. This statement is also correct. Now going to the B option, algin is obtained from red algae and carrageenan from the brown algae. Okay, so now see here, algin, algin is obtained from brown algae. Okay, so this makes our B statement wrong, and that's what we have to find out. And this is obtained from red algae. Okay, so this makes the B statement wrong, which is our answer. All right, moving on to the next question. You have to select the correct statement. Very good, Priyasha. Glevita, correct statement is to be chosen. Your answer is not correct. Read the options carefully. Perfect. Good. Glevita, correct answer. Aditi, correct answer. Good. Yes, others, put your answers in the chat box. Mahek, Darshini, put your answers in the chat box. What will be the answer? Which is the correct statement here? Okay, Mahek. All right. Let's understand the question now. The question is asking that we have to select the correct statement. Okay, so now see. Let's start with option D. What is option D saying? The leaves of the gymnosperms are not well adapted to extremes of the climate. The leaves of the gymnosperms, they are well adapted. Okay. What is the wrong thing here? The leaves of the gymnosperms, they are well adapted. They are well adapted to extreme climate, and this is the reason that gymnosperms, they flourish in cold areas. Okay, they are well adapted to extreme climate. So this statement is wrong. Okay, C statement, gymnosperms are both homosporous and heterosporous. They are heterosporous. Okay, what is the meaning of being heterosporous? That we are going to find a microspore and we are going to find a megaspore. So microspore and a megaspore. Okay, then the D statement is Salvinia, Ginkgo, and Pinus all are gymnosperms. Now, if we talk about Salvinia, this is an all right. Yes, guys, we were discussing this question. What is the answer? In bryophytes and pteridophytes, transport of male gamete requires. What does the transport of male gametes require? Yes, everybody put your answers in the chat box for this question. Yes, Mahek, Aditi, Priyasha, good, good. Right, correct. Water, very easy question, right? Because the sperms that we are going to find here, they are flagellated. Okay, they are flagellated and they require external supply of water to reach the archegonium. Okay, good. Next question. Which one of the following statement is wrong? Chalo, find out the wrong statement here now. So this is also a simple question. Which of the following statement is wrong? Perfect. Good, Priyasha. Good. Aditi, correct. Good. No, Clevita. No. This we had discussed in a previous question as well. Mahek, correct answer. Good. No. No, Darshini. अभी अभी discuss किया था. This we had discussed in one of the previous questions. You have to find out the wrong statement. Okay, now see here. The first statement, chlorella and spirulina, they are used as space food. The statement is correct. Okay, algin and carrageenan are products of algae. The statement is correct. अभी अभी discuss किया था हमने. Agar agar obtained from Gelidium and Gracilaria. This statement is also correct. Now coming on to the wrong statement, which is your B part. Okay. In case of B part, it is saying that mannitol is stored food in rhodophyceae. No, mannitol and in fact laminarin and mannitol. They are stored food in case of brown algae. Okay. Brown algae or phaeophyceae. Okay. Now the question is saying that mannitol is stored food in rhodophyceae. No, in case of rhodophyceae, the stored food is Floridian starch. Okay. So the question was asking about the wrong statement. This is a wrong statement. B will be the answer. Moving on to the next question. In which of the following gametophyte is not independent free living? Good, Mahek. All right. Yes, everybody put your answers in the chat box. In which of the following gametophyte is not independent and free living? What will be the answer? Everybody put your answers in the chat box. Only few of you have answered. Yes, guys, what will be the answer? These are all basic questions. Gametophyte is not independent free living. The answer is going to be B, finus. Okay, not A. Next question. You have to read the following statements A to E and select the option with all the correct statements. So you have to find out the correct statements out of the 5 statements which are given here in the question. Yes, what would be the answer? Okay, Priyasha, good. Mahek, good, good. Finally, you guys are giving correct answers. Good. Yes, I want everybody to answer. Put your answers in the chat box, guys. All right, let's go option by option. See here. The first part is mosses and lichens, they are the first organisms to colonize a bare rock. All right, this statement is correct. Now, next is Selaginella is a homosporous pteridophyte. This statement is wrong. What is the correct statement for this? That it is a heterosporous pteridophyte. Okay, it is a heterosporous pteridophyte. C part says that coralloid roots in cycas have VAM. First, what is VAM? It is vesicular, arbuscular, mycorrhiza. Okay, so we are not going to find this in the roots of the cycas. What are we going to find? We are going to find blue-green algae. Okay, we are going to find blue-green algae like nostoc, anabina. This is what we are going to find. So C statement is also wrong. Okay. Now, main plant body in bryophytes is gametophytic, whereas in pteridophytes is sporophytic. This statement is correct. In gymnosperms, male and female gametophytes are present within sporangia located on sporophyte. This is also correct. So what is the answer to this question? We have to find out the correct statement. So A, D, and E is correct. A is the answer. Next question. Male gametes are flagellated in. Yes, male gametes. Where are we going to find? Mahek and Aditi, correct answer. Good. Male gametes are flagellated in. All right, let's discuss the question. Now see, first option is ectocarpus. Ectocarpus produce biflagellate gametes. Okay, ectocarpus produces biflagellate gametes. Moving on to Spirogyra. Spirogyra, non-flagellated. Okay. Third option, Polysiphonia. Polysiphonia, non-flagellated. And fourth option is Anabina. Anabina is what? It is a cyanobacteria. So let's not talk about the gametes here, right? So the question is asking about flagellated gametes. Okay, so answer will be A, ectocarpus. Next question. Which one of the following is wrong about Kara? Yes, what will be the answer? You have to find out the wrong statement. Okay, Mahek. Correct hai. Correct answer. Good. Aditi, Priyasha. Good, good, good. Correct answer. Yes, everybody put your answers in the chat box. Which one of the following is wrong about Kara? Now see here. See the options A and C. Option A says upper oogonium and lower round antheridium. Option C says upper antheridium and lower oogonium. So it is very obvious that the answer is going to be either from A or C. All right. Now, in case of Kara, we are going to find upper oogonium and lower round antheridium. So this makes C statement as wrong. And question में क्या पूछा था? Question में पूछा था wrong statement. So C will be your answer. Very good. Aditi, Priyasha, Mahek, correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is responsible for peat formation? This is an easy question. Good. Priyasha, correct answer. Good. Good, Mahek. Correct answer. Which of the following is responsible for formation of peat? No, Aditi. Yes, Darshini, correct answer. Good. Right, the answer is going to be B, sphagnum moss. Next, male gametophyte with least number of cells is present in. So out of these options, where are we going to find the male gametophyte with least number of cells? Aditi, correct answer. Good. No, Priyasha, your answer is not correct. No, Mahek. The answer for this question is going to be C. Okay, Lilium. Lilium, it is an angiosperm. Okay, it is an angiosperm, and here the male gametophyte is reduced. Okay, it is two-celled. Lilium is the answer. Next question. You have to select the wrong statement now for this question. Good, good. Aditi, Priyasha, Mahek, good. You have to select the wrong statement. In oomycetes, female gamete is smaller and motile, while male gamete is larger and non-motile. Chlamydomonas exhibits both isogamy and anisogamy, and fucus shows oogamy. Isogametes are similar in structure, function, and behavior. Anisogametes differ either in structure, function, or behavior. Right? Anisogametes, they are dissimilar gametes. Isogametes are similar gametes. Okay, so we have to find out the wrong statement, and all of you have answered correctly. The answer is going to be A. This is the wrong statement. Okay, so what is the correct statement for this? We are going to find female gamete is going to be large, non-motile, right? And male gamete is going to be small and motile. Okay, so A will be the answer. Next question. Isogamous condition with non-flagellated gametes is found in. Non-flagellated gametes पूछा है question में. Good, Priyasha, Mahek, good, very quick answers, good. Isogamous condition with non-flagellated gametes is found in. Where are we going to find this condition? Yes, everybody put your answers in the chat box. Isogamous condition with the non-flagellated gametes is found in. The answer for this question is going to be D. Spirogyra. Very good, Priyasha and Mahek. Next question. Monoecious plant of Kara shows occurrence of. This question we've already discussed. Everybody should be answering this correctly. Yes. Okay. Yes, only one person has answered, guys. Put your answers in the chat box. Monoecious plant of Kara shows occurrence of. Good, Aditi. Good, Mahek. Correct answer. अभी solve किया था हमने a similar question. Monoecious plant of Kara shows the occurrence of. The answer will be upper oogonium and lower antheridium on the same plant. Okay. Next question. Syngamy can occur outside the body of the organism in. Where will the syngamy occur outside? Syngamy is fusion of male and female gamete. Yes, syngamy can occur outside the body of organism in algae. Very good. Next question. What is common in all three, Funaria, Dryopteris, and Ginkgo? Yes, what will be the answer? Very good, Priyasha. Very good, very good. No, Aditi, your answer is incorrect. Go through the options again. What is common in all the three, Funaria, Dryopteris, and Ginkgo? No, Mehek, no. Think about it. What will be the answer? All right. Okay. See here now. For Funaria, for Funaria, Funaria lacks independent sporophyte. Okay. Vascular tissues. Okay. And if I talk about Ginkgo, here independent gametophyte is absent. Okay. Independent gametophyte is absent. The thing which is common to all is A, presence of archegonia. All right, so A will be the answer. Next question. Which one of the following is wrongly matched? So this is easy one. तुम लोगों ने आंसर भी करेक्ट दिया था related to this पहले. Good. Priyasha Mahek, correct answer. Good. Yes, everybody put your answers in the chat box. We have done a similar question. Which of the following is wrongly matched? तुम लोगों ने ही correct answer दिया था. Answer is A here. Okay. Here we are going to find non-motile gametes. Next question. The plant body is thalloid in. Where are we going to find a thalloid plant body? Good. Aditi Priyasha. Good. Correct answer. All right, the answer is going to be C. Now see, in this case, it belongs to class Hepatocopsida. Okay, it belongs to class Hepatocopsida of division Bryophyta. ठीक है, और क्या बोल देते हैं, liverworts भी बोल देते हैं. And here we are going to find that the plant body, it is dorsoventrally flattened thallus. Okay, so answer will be C. Next question. Which one of the following is common to multicellular fungi, filamentous algae, and protonema of mosses? Good, Priyasha. Good. Correct answer, Mahek. Now see, let's understand the options one by one. See, first option is diplontic life cycle. So now see, in this case, mosses, they have diplontic life cycle. Agreed. Okay. But others may or may not. Okay, second option is that it is saying that all the three are members of kingdom Plantae. So now see here, algae and mosses, they belong to kingdom Plantae. However, fungi belongs to a separate kingdom, right? You already know. Okay. Then third is mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition may again, if we talk about algae and mosses, they have autotrophic mode of nutrition. ठीक है, खुद का खाना खुद बना लेते हैं. But fungi, achlorophyllus, they are heterotrophic. तो mode of nutrition भी match नहीं होता है इनका. ठीक है, बचा क्या? Last option, multiplication by fragmentation. B will be the answer. ठीक है, next question. Cycas and adiantum resemble each other in having. The Darshini, Mahek, Aditi, correct answer. Good. Priyasha, go through the questions again. Okay. Now see. Psychis, gymnosperm. All right. Adiantum, pteridophyte. ठीक है. अगर हम बात करें कैम्बियम की, ओके, एंड सीड्स की, ओके, तो ये एब्सेंट होते हैं टेरिडोफाइट्स में. ऑलराइट. नेक्स्ट आता है वेसल्स. ओके, वेसल्स की अगर हम बात करेंगे तो दोनों ही ग्रुप्स में एब्सेंट होते हैं. ऑलराइट. बचा क्या? मोटाइल स्पर्म्स. तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? बी, मोटाइल स्पर्म्स. द आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी बी. ऑलराइट. Next question. How many organisms in the list given below are autotrophs? चलो ढूंढो. I'll give you guys a hint. Find out about chemoautotrophs also and photoautotrophs also. ठीक है, दोनों काउंट करना. वापस काउंट करो. दर्शनी, अदिति, काउंट अगेन. Darshini, Mahek, good, correct answer. Everybody count and tell me. I've given you the hint. All right, चलो देखते हैं. Like I've given you the hint, we have to count chemoautotrophs also and photoautotrophs also. So now out of this, in this list, nitrosomonas and nitrobacter and nitrobacter, ये इस कैटेगरी में आ जाएंगे. फोटोऑटोट्रोप्स के बारे में बात करेंगे. So then there is nostoc, cara, porphyra and wolffia. ओके, तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? टोटल 6 हो जाएंगे. Okay, next question. The gametophyte is not an independent free living generation in Yes. What is the answer? Good, good, good. Everybody has given the correct answer. Right. Chalo, let's quickly move to the next question then. Compared with the gametophytes of the bryophytes, the gametophytes of the vascular plants tend to be. Good. Darshini, Mahek, correct answer. Good. Everybody put your answers in the chat box. What will be the answer? Compared with the gametophytes of bryophytes, the gametophytes of the vascular plants tend to be. Okay. See, in case of bryophytes, if we talk about bryophytes, their dominant phase in the life cycle is gametophytic plant body. Okay, the dominant phase. Now, if we talk about the vascular plants, if we talk about the vascular plants, they have sporophytic plant body. Okay, they have sporophytic plant body. Okay, so here we are going to find reduced, sorry, reduced and smaller gametophyte and sex organs with small sex organs. Okay, so what will be the answer? D. Gametophytes are going to be smaller and they tend to have smaller sex organs. Next question. Archegoniophore is present in. Archegoniophore is present in. Where are we going to find Archegoniophore? Good. Priyasha, Mahek, good. Yes, everybody put your answers in the chat box. Good, Aditi, correct answer. Correct. Good, good, good. Chalo, let's move to the next question. A prokaryotic autotropic nitrogen fixing symbiont is found in. कहाँ पे मिलेगा प्रोकैरियोटिक ऑटोट्रोपिक नाइट्रोजन फिक्सिंग सिम्बायोंट? प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में डिस्कस किया था. वेरी गुड अदिति, वेरी गुड प्रियाशा. Good. Right, the answer is going to be cyclis. It forms a symbiotic association with cyanobacteria. Right. Next question. चलो आइडेंटिफाई करो. एनसीईआरटी का डायग्राम है. Open your NCRTs, find the answer, mark it there that it has been asked previously. It is a very important diagram. Yes, everybody think about the answer. Mahek, Priyasha, Aditi, correct answer. Good. Okay, the diagram is taken from NCRT, right? What is it? This is female thallus of Mercanti, right? So here, let's label. See, A is going to be archegoniophore. All right. B is going to be the female thallus. Okay, C here, this is the gamma cup. And D is going to be rhizoids. ठीक है, तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? A हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, algae have cells made up of. चलो बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, everybody should be able to answer. क्या आंसर होगा उसका, जल्दी से बता दो. चलो इसमें क्वेश्चन मार्क्स नहीं आने चाहिए. Everybody should answer confidently. Algae cell walls are made up of. Yes, what will be the answer? Correct answer, Mahek. Good, good, good. Good, Priyasha. Yes, everybody should know answer to this question. What is the composition of algae cells? Or algae cell walls? क्या आंसर होगा इसका? It is very simple. Cellulose, galactans, and mannins. A will be the answer. All right. Next question. Male and female gametophyte are independent and free living in. Good. Priyasha, Mahek, good. Aditi, correct answer. Good. No, Darshini. The answer here is going to be D, sphagnum. All right. Last question of today's session. Find the answer. Which one of the following is monoecious? चलो बहुत ही simple question है ये तो. Yes, which one of the following is monoecious? Correct. Nice. Good. All right.